Hello snowboarders of the internet. I'm your host Avran LeFeber, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to deburr and remove surface rust from your snowboard's edges. Now for this video you're going to need a stone and maybe a file. File's a little overkill for most people, so don't really worry about it, but what you're going to need is a stone, gummy stone, soft stone, rough stone, depending on how aggressive the rust is on the edge of your board. Now, most of you guys, it'll just be surface rust from your board sitting around all summer. You know, you just didn't wipe it down at the end of the season. Maybe it was in a damp, moist basement, sex dungeon, whatever. Either way, it's got some surface rust on it, and you need to get that off before you go shred. The first thing you want to do is find where the trouble areas are. So you just look at the edge, and you know, I've got one here, a little bit there, and some down there. Once you've pinpointed that, all you need to do is grab your stone, hold it at about a 45-degree angle, and run it back and forth across the board a few times. And that should remove any of the excess rust that's on there. This is just surface oxidization. Now, if your edges are a little more aggressively rusty and oxidized, grab a very fine file. You don't want a coarse file, you want a fine file. And all you're gonna do is put it flat on the base and run it across the edge like this. Make sure you keep it flat, that way you're not dulling the edges or anything. You just want to keep it level. If you really feel the need, you can get a file guide for this, but you're only going to do 1 or 2 swipes like this, and it should take everything off. If it doesn't, you're probably going to need to take your board to a tune shop and have them do your edges, you know. Just tell them you want your edges sharp, because there's a lot of rust, because you didn't fucking take care of your shit. Alright, hopefully you guys learned something from this quick little video, and you're going to take care of any surface rust that's on your board. If you're new here, remember to subscribe, click the bell, get those notifications, that way you're not missing any of the videos we got coming out for all you snowboarders of the internet. And if you really want to support us and you just want to see us grow out what we're doing over here, swing on over to Angry Snowboarder VIP. I could tell you more here, but I got a video over there that explains it so much better. As always, I've been your host, Avran LeFeber, and I'll see you in another video.